落細嘅位置。
I screwed up. See? The traditional mooncake with the egg yolk and the lotus paste, I think it's very good, but it's very rich. If you eat too much, then you will become like fat like me.
Today you are going to make an egg yolk mooncake. So how is it?
18 yolk. I don't know how big the mooncake is. I'm very excited to see this and to try. It's mooncake time. Let's go. Hello， 師傅。你好。我今日嚟整月餅啊。
哦，整月餅，歡迎。呢啲月餅係由餡料到製作，全部都係我哋自己公司出嘅。我哋試。呢度有兩款月餅，呢個就叫做5仁。試。
我中意呢個。
你中意嚇？係咯。呢個杏仁、瓜子仁。
Sesame。
芝麻。呢個欖仁、芝麻係啦。
芝麻。This is really good with the nuts inside and then the texture. It's really interesting.
呢個呢就叫紅豆沙。
Red bean。哇，好 smooth， 好味道。
美其香係響1979年開嘅，今年已經43年啦。堅持賣月餅，因為我哋啲做啲街坊生意，啲街坊年嚟幫襯，可以響度一日都要做月餅。我哋依家嚟入啲蛋黃落去啲餡呢度，啲蓮蓉呢度，啲蛋黃咁，兩個嚟。
哦。Pretty cool. My first time like this, stuffing 18 egg yolk in one.
依家嚟稱嗰啲餅皮，
幾重？
係稱嘅幾重，冇錯。依家就開餅皮，搓長嘅，分開
一半。
一半。
I like the texture of the dough because it's very easy to roll.
跟住咁樣稱呢啲，跟住咁樣覆翻轉，
咁樣？
係，咁啊擺翻嚟呢邊。
哦。
跟住就打餅㗎啦嘛。
哇，咁重嘅，very heavy, very big. I never seen big like this before.
你得唔得？
得。
都得。師傅啊，第一次做嘅 OK 啊。
For the first time, it's not easy. Rolling the dough is one, and then the pressing and the unmolding.
呢個翻起碼90分。
90分。師傅，多謝晒，多謝晒。
第一次學喎，真係。
Now I'm gonna do what I learned today. I'm gonna try to make a European pastry-style mooncake using almond paste, candied hibiscus flower, tangerine skin, and fresh apple. This is basically the concept of almond and apple tart. So it's very classic from home. I'm gonna roll the dough and mold the mooncake. I'll try to do it in here. So it's not full, but I think it's okay. There you go. It's a bit sideways, but it's okay, it works. Ready to bake. Glaze it a little bit with apricot jam to make it shiny. 呢個我整啊。
哦，咁就要試下咯。個樣幾得意。
Is almond and apple. It's like a mooncake. Is east meets west.
好香杏仁嚟。
係啊。
而家嚟講咧，應該啲人話嫌佢甜咗少少咧。
Yeah, can be less sweet. What I appreciate the most today, I think, is the authenticity of the experience. So the way of working with all the tools, the ingredients, the oven, the people that have been doing this for 40 years or more. It's a very good sharing experience. Wow!
哇！
好靚
呢個係我同啲合作做出嚟嘅，而家出嚟試下，好嘛？
好啊，好啊。
整咁大嗰月餅，中國人興高興噶嘛，人多食噶嘛，咁咪要大嗰啲咯，啊大家團團圓圓啊！